Hello, Peter here, your Pinoy accountant. So pag-usapan natin yung chart of accounts naman. So before we proceed dun sa pag-record ng general ledger, kailangan handa tayo or we have this chart of accounts. So that mas easier for us to record dun sa ating general ledger and to record our financial transactions. So ito yung common na numbering na ginagamit natin, numbering system, is pag-assets, yun, line of 1. So 100 to 199, yun yung inassign natin for assets. And then for liabilities, number 2, so 200 to 299, yan yung liabilities natin. For our equity or capital, line of 3 naman, so 300 to 399. And then revenue is line of 4, 400 to 499. And expenses naman natin is 500 to 599 or line of 5. So from our previous na mga transactions, ito yung mga account titles na nagamit natin. So i-assign na natin yung kanyang account number for each account title. So for our cash, inassign na natin na account number na 100, accounts receivable 101, and then yung accounts payable natin, since liability na yan, yung liabilities natin mag-start sa number 2. So accounts payable 200, and then next na tayo, owner's capital, since equity na to, mag-start tayo sa line of 3. So yung owner's capital natin, inassign na natin ng 300. And then next naman is yung mga owner's withdrawals, inassign na natin ng 301. So next naman is yung sales revenue. Since revenue, ito yung mga account number, 400 to 499. So yung sales revenue, inassign na natin ng account number na 400. And then yung sales discount naman, 401. And then yung mga expenses, again, line of 5, number 5, I mean. So ito yung inassign natin, fuel expense. Account number niya is 500. Office supplies and expense naman, 501. And representation and entertainment naman is 502. So yun yung ating mga chart of accounts. So mahalaga ito so that mas easier for us to summarize and organize yung ating mga financial transactions and ma-record natin sa general ledger. And pagkatapos nun, we can now create our financial statements. So abangan niyo yung mga upcoming videos natin. Magre-record na tayo sa general ledger. So my name again is Peter, your Pinoy accountant. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.